This is somebody's bird.
The owner around here, somebody gonna cut it
Of course, because we don't need it. But I love. This is the closest I have ever been to a majestic bird. Like, oh my god, it's so beautiful.
See somebody controlling that shit.
Yeah, they recording. They can see the bird.
Oh, he's so alright.
Ow!
No, see, he just told you don't do that shit.
She can't pick it up if you put it like that. You gotta be.
Okay, I'm finna try.
She gotta be like. She gotta be safe like this. See?
Oh, okay.
Otherwise she's gonna fall.